Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unarchive a list in Trello. So let's get started. Open Trello and navigate to the board containing the archived list. Click on these three dots located at the top right corner of the board. This will open up the menu. From the menu, choose Archived Items. Then, click on Choose to List. Choose the list you want to unarchive, then click Send to Board to return the card to its original list. So, that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.